a project that represents large-scale engineering, precision planning, and smart urban mobility. The main objective was to handle extremely high passenger traffic efficiently and safely. Kone implemented advanced escalator technology featuring energy-saving drive systems, smooth acceleration and deceleration, and intelligent safety sensors. These systems automatically adjust performance based on passenger flow and can immediately stop operation in case of any emergency, ensuring maximum safety. The installation process itself was highly complex. Working within limited underground space while maintaining uninterrupted public movement required careful coordination. The project was completed in phases to minimize disruption to daily commuters. The escalators were also designed to match modern architectural standards, with sleek stainless steel finishes, anti-slip steps, and long-life components. This project demonstrates how Kone delivers not just escalators, but complete smart mobility solutions that improve safety, efficiency, and connectivity in major urban environments. In practical terms, an 18 decibel reduction is significant. It can make the noise sound roughly half as loud to the human ear. Generators are essential on construction sites, events, and temporary power installations, but they often produce high noise levels that disturb nearby residents and create uncomfortable working conditions. EcoBarrier is specifically designed to control and reduce this type of industrial noise. The system uses lightweight yet high-density acoustic panels that absorb and block sound waves. These modular panels are placed around the generator to create a controlled acoustic enclosure. Importantly, the design allows for proper airflow and ventilation, ensuring the generator continues to operate safely without overheating. An 18 decibel noise reduction helps projects meet regulatory noise limits and significantly reduces community complaints. The barriers are weather-resistant, reusable, and easy to transport, making them ideal for both short-term and long-term applications. Overall, EcoBarrier doesn't just reduce noise, it improves safety, compliance, and the overall working environment in high-noise areas. Rost Grip is a specialized road surfacing material designed to improve safety in cold and slippery conditions. It is not a type of road, but a high-friction coating that is applied on top of existing asphalt or concrete surfaces. This material is commonly used in high-risk areas such as sharp curves, steep slopes, bridges, pedestrian crossings, and accident-prone zones. During rain, frost, or icy weather, normal road surfaces can become extremely slippery. Frost Grip helps solve this problem by significantly increasing traction. The system typically uses high-friction aggregates, such as durable stone particles bonded to the road surface with a strong resin. Once applied, it creates a rough, textured finish that improves tire grip and reduces skidding. As a result, vehicles experience better braking performance, improved control, and shorter stopping distances, especially in wet or cold environments. Frost Grip is a practical and cost-effective solution for enhancing road safety without reconstructing the entire roadway. It provides long-lasting performance and helps reduce accidents in challenging weather conditions. The EcoBlock system, an advanced underground stormwater management solution designed to collect, store, and gradually release rainwater. The EcoBlock system consists of lightweight yet high-strength plastic modules that are installed below ground. These modular units interlock to form a large underground storage chamber. During heavy rainfall, stormwater is directed into this chamber, where it is temporarily stored. This helps reduce surface flooding and decreases pressure on municipal drainage systems. The installation process is efficient and systematic. First, the site is excavated to the required dimensions. The base is then leveled and compacted to ensure stability. A geotextile fabric is installed to prevent soil infiltration. The EcoBlock modules are assembled and placed inside the excavation, wrapped securely, and finally covered with backfill material. The system can be installed beneath roads, parking lots, commercial developments, and residential areas without affecting surface usability. Overall, the EcoBlock system supports sustainable urban drainage by improving groundwater recharge, minimizing flood risks, and contributing to environmentally responsible infrastructure development. Permatech Foundation Repair is a foundation repair contractor based in Texas that fixes structural problems in residential foundations using several underpinning technologies, one of which is concrete pressed pilings. Concrete pressed pilings are a cost-effective foundation support solution used when soil is relatively soft and there's a need to stabilize or lift a settling foundation. Instead of drilling deep holes, this method involves installing precast concrete cylinders vertically under the edge of a building. These cylinders are pushed downward into the soil using hydraulic force. Often the weight of the house helps drive them further until they hit resistance. Once in place, the pilings act as vertical support posts that transfer the building's load into deeper soil layers. A concrete cap and shims are used to secure the top of the pilings against the foundation. This method is generally more affordable than steel piers or drilled piers and can be installed relatively quickly without needing to pour concrete on site. However, because they don't always reach load-bearing soil, pressed concrete pilings are typically recommended only for softer soils and not the most challenging ground conditions. For tougher soils or long-term heavy loads, steel piers or hybrid systems might be better. In short, concrete pressed pilings are modular concrete supports hydraulically driven into the ground to stabilize and lift a foundation in a cost-efficient way. A method Permatech uses among several foundation repair options. The team is known for innovative modular timber structures that are lightweight, strong, and easy to assemble, with no tools required, like building giant wooden blocks. For Nuit Blanche Toronto, the city's huge, free, all-night contemporary art festival, where public spaces across Toronto become transformed by artistic installations and immersive exhibits every year, Grip Block built a massive Erin 360 exhibit. Grip Block's involvement meant constructing the physical structure and support for this installation, turning raw modular timber panels into a dramatic 360-degree art venue that guided visitors into a new sensory experience. The result was a striking centerpiece at Nuit Blanche that combined innovative materials and artistic storytelling in one unforgettable exhibit. Haas Cable Railing Systems are high-quality stainless steel cable railing solutions used for decks, balconies, stairways, patios, and commercial spaces where you want safety without blocking views. They are known for their sleek, minimalist design and strong performance. What it is. Unlike traditional baluster railings, a cable railing system uses horizontal stainless steel cables tensioned between posts to form a protective barrier. The cables are strong yet unobtrusive, letting you enjoy unrestricted sightlines, perfect for waterfront views, rooftops, or modern architectural designs. How it works. Cables run horizontally between posts. One end is anchored with a fitting, and the other end is tightened using a tensioner, so the cables stay taut and secure under load. This tensioning keeps the railing safe and rigid while retaining a slim profile. Installation is relatively straightforward. HAAS systems are designed for both DIY homeowners and professional installers. They offer clear guides, marking templates, and videos to help with drilling and tensioning. Benefits: unobstructed views. Cable lines don't block scenery. Modern aesthetic. Clean, minimal, and contemporary look. Durability. High-grade stainless steel resists corrosion. Versatility. Works with wood, metal, and many architectural styles. Maintenance. Although stainless steel resists rust, it still benefits from periodic cleaning, especially in salty environments, to keep it looking new and prevent corrosion over time. A new coating technology for corrosion protection is designed to extend the life of metal structures by preventing rust and chemical deterioration. Traditional paints or coatings can wear down over time, especially in harsh environments like marine, industrial, or high humidity areas. This new technology uses advanced materials, such as nanoparticles, ceramic additives, or smart polymers that form a tough, tightly bonded barrier on the metal surface. Industries like automotive, aerospace, infrastructure, and marine benefit a lot from this technology because it reduces maintenance costs, improves safety, and prolongs equipment life. Permanent shotcrete stabilization is a method used to strengthen and secure slopes, excavations, tunnels, or retaining walls. Shotcrete, which is sprayed concrete, is applied directly onto a surface to form a solid, continuous protective layer that prevents soil movement and erosion. To enhance long-term stability, Titan micropiles are often installed alongside the shotcrete. These micropiles are small diameter, high-strength steel-reinforced piles drilled deep into the ground to transfer loads from the surface layer to stable soil or rock underneath. Once tensioned, they act as anchors, holding the soil and shotcrete firmly in place. The combination of shotcrete and Titan micropiles provides a durable, permanent solution that resists sliding, collapsing, or erosion, even in challenging terrains or weak soil conditions. Installation is precise and can be done in confined spaces, making it ideal for urban construction, tunnels, and steep slopes. In essence, this method creates a robust, long-lasting stabilization system. The shotcrete protects and shapes the surface, while the Titan micropiles secure the underlying soil, ensuring safety and structural integrity over decades. The Alufect Gelände system is a modern railing system made from high-quality aluminium, designed for balconies, terraces, and outdoor spaces. It combines durability, safety, and a sleek contemporary appearance. The aluminium profiles are lightweight yet strong, often powder-coated to resist weather, corrosion, and fading, ensuring long-lasting performance in outdoor conditions. This system can incorporate either safety glass panels or vertical aluminium bars, giving a choice between open, transparent designs or more traditional but still modern looks. The glass panels allow unobstructed views and light, while the bar versions provide a solid, structured appearance. Both options meet strict safety standards, ensuring that the railing is secure and reliable under wind, load, or impact conditions. Installation is straightforward thanks to its modular plug and assemble design. The components can be fitted together quickly and mounted on a variety of surfaces, such as concrete, wood, or steel, making it adaptable to different architectural layouts and shapes. The system is engineered to provide both aesthetic appeal and structural stability, giving outdoor spaces a clean, professional finish while protecting occupants effectively. The heavy-duty drainage channel Ferromagna is a specialized drainage system designed to handle large volumes of water while supporting extremely heavy loads, such as trucks, forklifts, or industrial machinery. Unlike standard drainage channels, it is engineered for industrial and commercial applications, where both strength and durability are critical. The system typically consists of a reinforced concrete or polymer concrete channel, covered with high-strength metal grates. The robust construction ensures the channel remains functional even under continuous heavy loads, making it ideal for factories, warehouses, loading docks, highways, and industrial yards. Ferromagna, as a product line, emphasizes extra reinforcement, corrosion resistance, and long-term durability, ensuring the drainage system performs reliably over decades with minimal maintenance. Installation is usually modular, allowing channels to be connected in series and adapted to the required layout, slopes, and water flow capacities. In essence, the heavy-duty drainage channel Ferromagna is not just a water management solution. It's a structurally strong, long-lasting, and efficient system that keeps industrial surfaces safe, dry, and operational, even under the most demanding conditions. The Variomax system is a versatile support solution for both precast floor slabs and in-situ concrete slabs. It provides temporary shoring during construction, ensuring that slabs remain stable and perfectly aligned until the concrete gains full strength. The system is modular and adjustable, allowing it to support a wide range of slab sizes and loads. Components are easy to assemble and adapt on site, which speeds up construction while maintaining safety and precision. Variomax is designed to handle heavy loads reliably, making it suitable for commercial buildings, bridges, and industrial floors. Its sturdy construction, combined with quick installation, reduces labor and equipment costs.